Okay, I'm using one of those little Session 4 GoPros that's just a little cube, and I couldn't put it on a regular tripod. So I looked on Amazon and I found this product. This is the name, Smatree Smatree X1S foldable multifunctional pole, and that's what I'm using right now to make this video. But I ordered another one for the light that I got also. So we'll just open this up real quick. Just thought I'd do this video before I unboxed it. And we're actually using this to make this video. These are all the parts. This is the base. Let's fold out like that. And this is all aluminum, it's metal, and it's got little teeth on here to hold it in position. And this is where this screws onto this. Now I know the camera's pretty close, so we've got, this is our mount. And if you know the GoPro, you just slide that into the, I've got the cage on this one, and just that slides in. There's also a little tightening ring on here. You can tighten it down real good. And then this would thread into the other side, like that. And it also comes with a lanyard strap for your wrist. You can screw this into the bottom of this part and just use this handheld, but also you can fold this up and just use this. So we got that, and then we have this part that'll screw onto this, and you can also use a phone. So I just wanted to make a quick video of that before I start using it. Here's the light. I'm going to be using this light on this.